The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
A modern mid-century design kitchen is always one of the choices when creating or renovating this important room in the house. And the following designs can be a reference for you for your home. What is mid-century modern kitchen design? Mid-century modern kitchen design refers to a style inspired by the mid-20th century, particularly the 1940 to 1960, known for its clean lines, functional layouts, and emphasis on natural materials. This design aesthetic often features sleek cabinetry, geometric patterns, iconic furniture pieces like Eames chairs, and a neutral color palette with occasional bold accents. What is the goal from mid-century modern kitchen design? The goal is to create a harmonious blend of form and function, with innovative appliances and ample natural light adding to the overall appeal. What is character from mid-century modern kitchen design? 1. A mid-century modern kitchen is characterized by clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic, emphasizing simplicity and functionality. 2. Natural materials like wood, stone, and metal are often used to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 3. The color palette tends to be neutral, with occasional pops of bold colors for accents or statement pieces. 4. The layout of a mid-century modern kitchen is designed for efficiency and organization, with ample storage solutions and easy access to essential areas. 5. Iconic furniture pieces such as Eames chairs or tulip tables are often incorporated to add a distinctive style. 6. Geometric patterns in tiles, backsplashes, or flooring add visual interest and complement the overall design. Large windows or skylights maximize natural light, creating a bright and airy space. 7. Innovative appliances, typical of the mid-century period, are seamlessly integrated for modern convenience. In summary, mid-century modern kitchens blend timeless design elements with functional features to create a harmonious and stylish culinary space.